California is famous for its iconic cities, from the glitz and glamour of Los Angeles to the cultural and tech hubs of San Francisco. But beyond these thriving metropolises, not every community in the Golden State shares the same prosperity. Some cities grapple with high crime rates, crumbling infrastructure, and ongoing social struggles that make daily life a challenge. In this episode, we'll take a closer look at some of California's most troubled cities and explore the factors that have landed them on this list. Needles. Nestled along the western banks of the Colorado River in San Bernardino County, Needles is a small desert town at the heart of the Mojave Valley, right on the California-Arizona border. As of 2023, it was home to roughly 5,000 residents. Despite its scenic riverfront location, Needles is often considered one of California's least desirable places to live, largely due to its harsh environment and struggling economy. One of its biggest challenges is the extreme climate. Needles ranks among the hottest cities in the United States. During peak summer, temperatures regularly exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, making daily life especially difficult for those without reliable access to air conditioning. But the extreme heat isn't the only challenge. Needles also struggles with limited infrastructure, offering few shopping centers, restaurants, or entertainment options. Residents often have to travel to nearby cities just for basic necessities or leisure activities. On top of that, public transportation is practically non-existent, making a personal vehicle essential for day-to-day life. Clear Lake. Nestled in Lake County, Clear Lake is home to just over 16,000 residents. Despite its picturesque setting along the shores of Clear Lake, the largest natural freshwater lake in California, the city faces significant challenges. High poverty rates, crime, deteriorating infrastructure, and a struggling local economy have made daily life difficult for many who call Clear Lake home. Economic hardship remains one of Clear Lake's biggest challenges. Unemployment and poverty rates are consistently high, with the median household income falling well below the state average. Job opportunities are limited, particularly outside the low-wage service sector, leaving many residents dependent on government assistance. As of 2024, the city's unemployment rate fluctuated between 6.6% and 7.4%, highlighting the persistent financial struggles that continue to hold the community back. Clear Lake also struggles with major infrastructure and public service challenges. Healthcare and education options are limited, with local medical facilities and schools often ranking below those in other parts of the state. Roads are in poor condition and recreational or entertainment options are scarce, leaving residents with few amenities to enjoy. Modesto. With a population of over 200,000, Modesto has long struggled with crime, reporting a violent crime rate of 762 incidents per 100,000 residents in 2023. While smaller than California's major metropolitan areas, safety remains a significant concern for those who call the city home. Economically, Modesto has shown signs of progress. Recent data indicates that the median household income increased from $68,000 in 2021 to $74,000 in 2022, reflecting some financial improvement. However, challenges remain. In 2021, the city's poverty rate stood at 13.6%, surpassing the national average of 12.6%, highlighting the financial hardships that continue to impact many residents. Vallejo. With a population exceeding 120,000, Vallejo has faced persistent crime challenges, reporting a violent crime rate of 49 incidents per 1,000 residents in 2023. This ranks it among California's cities struggling to maintain public safety. Vallejo, located in the San Francisco Bay Area, is known for its rich maritime history and diverse community. While city officials and local organizations have taken steps to address crime and improve living conditions, creating a safer and more stable environment remains an ongoing challenge. Despite these efforts, safety concerns continue to impact daily life for many residents. Adelanto. Adelanto, a small city in San Bernardino County with a population of around 38,000, is often considered one of the least desirable places to live in California due to persistent economic struggles and high crime rates. Originally founded as an agricultural community in the early 20th century, the city has faced decades of economic stagnation, leading to a severe lack of job opportunities. In 2022, Adelanto's unemployment rate soared to 17.9%, far exceeding both the national average of around 3.5% to 4% and California's statewide average. Adelanto's challenges extend beyond economic struggles, with crime being a major concern, particularly property crimes and drug-related offenses. Certain neighborhoods have gained a reputation for frequent burglaries, robberies, and gang activity. Methamphetamine use remains a widespread issue, further deteriorating public safety and quality of life. Mendota's heavy reliance on agriculture has made its economy highly vulnerable to seasonal shifts, droughts, and changes in farming regulations. With many residents earning only minimum wage, financial insecurity is a persistent issue, and job stability remains uncertain. Beyond economic struggles, the town also faces infrastructure and public service challenges. Access to quality healthcare and education is limited, with schools and medical facilities often lacking the resources found in larger cities. Additionally, Mendota's poverty rate remains high, further exacerbating the hardships its residents face. These economic difficulties have far-reaching effects, impacting access to basic necessities and limiting opportunities for upward mobility. With few job prospects outside of agriculture, many residents find themselves trapped in a cycle of poverty, relying on seasonal work that offers little stability. The lack of well-paying jobs also contributes to overcrowded housing conditions as families struggle to afford rising rent costs. Ontario. With a population exceeding 180,000, Ontario grapples with major environmental and infrastructure challenges, largely due to its position along a heavily trafficked freight corridor in California's Inland Empire. The city struggles with poor air quality, registering an Air Quality Index (AQI) of 58, while more than 21% of its residents live in close proximity to high-pollution highways. Beyond air pollution, many residents are frustrated with how the city manages environmental issues. Surveys indicate that over 60% of the population is dissatisfied with local policies. Ongoing violations of drinking water standards coupled with inadequate waste management have only intensified concerns about public health and safety. Infrastructure issues only add to the challenges of living in Ontario. And distribution centers, the city also faces relentless truck traffic, contributing to heavy congestion and diminishing overall livability. These combined factors have earned Ontario a reputation as a difficult place to live, where environmental hazards, crumbling infrastructure, and a declining quality of life continue to frustrate residents. Commerce. With a population of just 11,000, Commerce is often considered one of California's less desirable cities, largely due to its high pollution levels, elevated crime rates, and a shortage of quality housing options. One of the city's most pressing challenges is its poor air quality. Commerce is densely packed with factories, warehouses, and major transportation routes, leading to persistently high pollution levels. Its proximity to major highways like Interstate 5 and Interstate 710 only exacerbates the issue, as constant heavy traffic generates continuous vehicle emissions. Over time, this prolonged exposure to pollutants has posed serious health risks for residents, especially those with respiratory conditions. Crime is another major concern in Commerce. The city records a crime rate of 151.9 incidents per 1,000 residents, well above the national average. Property crimes, including car theft and burglary, are especially prevalent. With its strong industrial and commercial presence, Commerce has become a frequent target for criminal activity, making safety an ongoing challenge for both residents and businesses alike. Emeryville. A small city in Alameda County with a population of around 13,000, Emeryville holds the unfortunate title of having the highest crime rate in California as of 2024. Despite its compact size, the city reported a staggering 176 property crimes per 1,000 residents, along with a violent crime rate of 15.4 incidents per 1,000 people. These statistics paint a troubling picture, making Emeryville a challenging place to live, where theft, break-ins, and persistent safety concerns are a part of daily life. Situated near Oakland, Emeryville boasts a thriving business sector, home to corporate headquarters, shopping centers, and entertainment venues. However, its economic potential is frequently overshadowed by persistent crime. While the city draws visitors and professionals, its exceptionally high rate of property crimes remains a significant drawback, solidifying Emeryville's reputation as one of California's most troubled urban areas. Signal Hill. Home to approximately 11,000 residents, Signal Hill offers a quiet, suburban atmosphere, yet property crime continues to be a recurring issue. In 2024, the city reported 53.34 property crimes per 1,000 residents, with theft and vehicle break-ins among the most commonly reported offenses. Additionally, the violent crime rate reached 6.76 incidents per 1,000 people, highlighting ongoing safety concerns for the community. While crime levels in Signal Hill are lower than in some other California cities, safety concerns persist. 6 reported gun-related incidents, including suicides and non-fatal injuries, highlight the ongoing need for stronger public safety measures and more effective community interventions. While some California cities continue to grow and adapt, others remain trapped in a cycle of long-standing challenges, from soaring crime rates and relentless traffic congestion to economic uncertainty. Many communities find themselves struggling to overcome persistent issues. Despite ongoing efforts to improve infrastructure, strengthen public safety, and boost job opportunities, progress is often slow-moving, leaving residents to face daily hardships without any immediate solutions in sight.